As you can see, it's flooding mostly in the center, and not so much on the side. The water is mainly going right through the center of the driveway. And yeah, hey, welcome to Florida. It's about 1 foot, I would say, don't you?
Not even. Maybe half a foot.
Half a foot. Oh, right. Welcome to Florida, the raining state. As you can see, it is flooding right over here. It's raining like never before. Will, hello.
Hello.
How do you like the Sunshine State?
It's lovely. Whoa!
The gods smile upon us, my friend. Here in the Sunshine State, we change it to the raining state. Why is that, Will?
It's raining!
Woo. Huh. Weakling, run. Well, you might want to run before the thunder gets you.
The thunder? I don't care about thunder. It's the lightning I'm worried about.
See where he's walking? It's normally right through the center area. It's not going down the sideways, there or there. You know, it's mainly right down there. Florida is getting pretty angry, so I'm gonna go back inside before it destroys us all. Come on then.